A lot of you say you're real, then come around with some phony outcomes. You don't put in the work, then wanna look in the mirror like how come? I get pennies for my thoughts, what I say is common sense. At least you got what you paid for if you don't like anything that I said. I give you the shirt off my back, but you couldn't see it, that's why I felt so closed off. Everyone's there for the come up, I wonder who's there on the day you fall off. I wonder why people don't like when I talk about God, but it's cool when somebody gets shot, cool when somebody gets caught up in a drug they can't control cause they said it was hot. Too many problems to deal with, too many loved ones are lost. They call this a Christian country, pointing guns just to get a point across. Underdog, 100 lines in me, is that the pride living inside? Drop the ball, everybody judges, I see them all sitting courtside. Empty my pain, still feeling painful. Hanging the people are things that'll hang you. Letting it go is the person I came to. Don't forget everything that has made you. Every window in my heart tinted, back in it, in event, how I invented. Housing money, I'm a lieutenant, didn't drop the mirror, I'm the cracks in it, yeah. Lately I've been staying up till 3 a.m. I kinda like it better when I'm on my own. Writing up a text that I should not send. I know I've been distant, yeah. I just need a moment on my own, on my own. I just need a moment on my own, on my own, on my own. I know I've been distant, I know I've been distant, I don't know. I just need a moment, I just need a moment on my own. Time is money, it's been changing me. Custom made is what I'm made to be. How many times we gon' look at the past and not the person we came to be? Start up the engine, I roll up the window, got nothing to say. I guess dreams got Roman charges, every connection will fade. That's the only thing I know. LA out to Chicago, real ones only, that's the motto. Stay ready for tomorrow. Never know what's gon' happen to you till it happens to you. Till people asking you what happened to you. Till you're looking at your friends, what happened to you. Till you're looking at your life, what happened to you. Lately I've been staying up till 3 a.m. I kinda like it better when I'm on my own. Writing up a text that I should not send. I know I've been distant, yeah. I just need a moment on my own, on my own. I just need a moment on my own, on my own, on my own. I know I've been distant, I know I've been distant, I don't know. I just need a moment, I just need a moment on my own.
I stood home building my craft. I had a dream I'm pursuing. It's hard to have these hopes and dreams, especially when I got to say to me, you don't even have to pray for me, do you? Cause I'll do me until the day that I'm through. Remember back then, backstabbing friends told me to not to. Remember they said that if you need me, then I got you. When I needed you, mostly were ghosts, and you left me feeling empty. And then I lost hope. You want me to fight, how can I cope? Slowly realizing my friends come and go, finding myself at the end of the road. I'm dying inside, but live like I won't. The top is getting closer, or those beneath me are getting farther. Every day I'm growing older. I see that I'm not a part of society. They're eyeing me, dying for me to fall apart. Cause I have a chance and they miss theirs, cause I'm working harder. I was a part of the kids at school asking why don't they like